Righto, we're going to do exercise 6.3, making the flagpole. So we've got 4.2 open, which is the sphere, and 4.4 open, which is the lofted base. We are also going to add a new part for the actual pole itself. So we're going to sketch. The flagpole is 35 millimeters in diameter, and it is 2 meters tall. Okay, it is made from aluminium alloy. Okay, so there's our flagpole. We also need to go to our sphere and put a hole in it for the post. We're going to get a sketch. We're going to pick a plane. Doesn't really matter which one. We might go to the top plane. Sketch. I'm going to put a 35mm hole. We're going to, oops, not extrude, cancel. We're going to cut. Now we want it to be 40 mils deep, but because at the moment it's in the middle plane, we want to come up here and go offset. Now that ball is a total of 120 mil, so from halfway to the edge is 60 mil. We want it to be 40 mil, then this offset wants to be 20 mil. And then and then okay. That's now given us our hole in our sphere. Alright, now let's just save this one. File save as, let's call it flag post. And this one we will save as well. Now we go file, make assembly. Okay. Right, so first piece we'll put on is our base. Then we'll put on our post. We'll make that one. We want this one to be concentric with this one. And this one down here to be matching to that one there. Okay, so that gives us that one. Now we want to add the ball on top. Okay, so that's got a hole on top, so we'll delete that one. And not that one. That way. Alright. So we go back to our mates. We go to the inside to be concentric with that one. Okay. We go the internal to mate to this one. Okay. That is our flagpole. And if we come up here to our mass properties, okay, so that gives us our mass up here. Now, we're also asked for our center of gravity. That's not it yet. We need to come out here to our first piece. And we want to right click it and float. And we want to This one's center of mass. And this one, and make them together. Oops, close. Control Z, we had the wrong one. Go back to our assembly. Okay, so we just had that on the wrong origin. To find the origin, come up to this assembly, come up here, click on here, and it shows us that our origin is up here. So if we go now, we go mate, and we send it to mate with this one, and click OK. And we right click and fix it. Now if we come back to evaluation, mass, and that will give us our center of gravity.